Hey everybody, welcome to TJsRC. Today we're going to install this Castle B-Link Bluetooth adapter on the TRX4 here so that I can use my smartphone to make programming and setting changes on the Castle ESC while I'm out in the field and not need to bring the whole truck in the house next to the computer just to make some changes. So this device is going to go in line between the ESC and the receiver, and it's going to stay on the truck at all times. And it does say here on the back that it is completely sealed and waterproof, so leaving it on the truck shouldn't be any issue. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. Single piece of paper, no instructions, but honestly, you really don't need instructions. It's really straightforward. On the back of the piece here, it says receiver this way, ESC this way. So you plug the ESC in here, and then you plug this into your receiver. Pretty straightforward, not too complicated. When you do go to fasten it down in your truck somewhere, you're going to want to have this side facing up because this has got the indicator lights on it. This spot over here, red, letting you know that the system is powered, and then there'll be a blue light on this side that will flash slowly, letting you know that it's ready to connect. And it can just sit like that until you are ready to open up the app and make any settings changes. So once you got this out, you simply need to get into your truck, find the wire that comes from the ESC, trace it across your chassis to where it enters the receiver box. Now in my case, I've got two pigtails that come out of the receiver box and sit right here for channel 2. If that isn't the case for you, you may have to open up your receiver box to get to this wire. Now we have access to this, and that's what we need. So bring in the B-Link. This is going to connect simply in line between the ESC and the receiver. Now before you zip tie this down out of the way, you should probably get a battery and make sure that it is functioning the way it's supposed to. Alright, battery's in. Powering on. Alright, we've got the red indicator light letting us know that the system is powered. We've got power to our receiver, and the blue flashing slow lets us know that it is ready for connecting to the app. I'm going to make how to use the smartphone app to connect to this device and make changes to your Castle ESC a separate video from this so that this video isn't too long. That will drop at the same time as this video, so there should be a link to that video on the screen if you want to watch that now. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and we will see you next time.